So Friday, April 19th is going to be our pink full moon, and the full moon is going to be in Libra. So today we're going to be talking all about what that means, what the energy is going to be, and how to use the energy in your favor. So we're going to be talking about 5 things that you can do to really use and utilize the full moon energy on Friday. So I kind of want to start doing this kind of video monthly. If you guys are interested, then leave me a comment down below where every single month I kind of go a little bit in depth about the new moon of that month and the full moon of that month and the energies of those moons and rituals and stuff that you could do. And I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions asked about my earrings. I actually made these myself. They're up on my store right now if you guys are interested. These are Sri Yantra earrings. They are a very, very powerful geometric pattern, and they are like the foundation of everything in the universe. Okay, so on to the full moon. This Friday we're going to have a full moon in Libra, and it's going to carry a lot of energies of balance and peace and harmony. Now, you might feel a little bit of heaviness right now, like as we're approaching the full moon, you might feel heavy energy, like energy of things coming up. And the reason that they're coming up is because they're ready to get purged out of you. So don't freak out, let the energy pass. Don't think that it's forever or permanent. It's just an energy that's arising to get rid of things that don't serve you anymore so that you're inviting the new, better things in your life. Now, the moon has a very, very powerful energy. It affects the tides, the oceans, our plants, gardens. It even affects us as humans, because if it's affecting water in the powerful way that it does, human beings are made of 70% water. So imagine the pull that it has on us. Now, the energy of the full moon is basically whatever is in our subconscious, which is dominant. And this could be something that you know about or that you don't know about. It might even be something that you've been suppressing and you don't even know, or maybe something you've been avoiding. Or if you're a naturally positive person, whatever is dominant in your subconscious mind is going to come out. It's able to come out more during the full moon. So whatever your dominant thoughts are, your dominant emotions, your dominant memories, and again, these could be things that you've suppressed that you don't even know you have suppressed. So old memories might come up that you haven't even thought of for years. Old emotions might come up that you haven't even felt for years. So when these emotions and these thoughts come up, just know that it's the full moon healing something inside of you. Or maybe even bringing up an emotion or a thought or a memory to help aid you and guide you in your future. Say if you have pent up anger inside of you, during the full moon, this anger will be more dominant. And say if you are a naturally cheerful person, then during this full moon, your natural cheerful personality will be more dominant. Say if there's something that you've had on your chest that you've been kind of wanting to get off your chest and you're kind of good at hiding it, during the full moon, it's gonna kind of eat at you. It might just bug you until you release it and you just say it. Like whatever is bothering you, you're gonna want to just release it. So I'm gonna give you guys 5 things that you should know about this full moon to get ready for this full moon, and things that you can do to utilize the energy. Number 1, the full moon is going to be in Libra. So this means that the energy is gonna be, like I said, balanced, peaceful, calm, just a lot of harmony. And it's really gonna be beneficial if you don't fight this. Like, you don't fight this energy. Allow it to come, allow yourself to calm down, allow yourself to relax, rejuvenate, give yourself some peaceful me time, just give yourself some peaceful relaxation during this time, because in this way it's working with your energy and it's gonna work in your favor. This is a time for you to balance your work with play, balance your responsibilities with family, responsibilities with free time. You want to find balance between the 2 different things in your life. You don't want to overdo it on one aspect of your life and then not give attention to the other, because that's where you get imbalanced. That's when you get frustrated. This is also a time for you to understand that if there's something negative or chaotic or stressful going on in your life right now, it's just a phase. It's a time period of this whatever situation it is, and it will pass. Number 2, this is a time for you to balance the old with the new. It's a time for you to clear out some of the old. So this means clear out your closet, clear out your house, clean out your wallet, your purse, your car. Basically, you're clearing out the old and clearing out the stuff that no longer serves you, stuff that you no longer need, because on the energy of the full moon, it's a great time to release. So this is the perfect time to declutter. And this means decluttering not only your house and your car, your closet, but also decluttering your life of negative people. Number 3, during the full moon, your skin might be a little bit more extra sensitive, especially during the full moon in Libra. So make sure that you're giving your skin a little bit of extra attention. I actually have a really beautiful face mask that's going to go up on Friday, and the face mask is going to be like a cleanse your mind face mask. And you guys can do that, or you guys can get a massage, you can go get a manicure or pedicure. Just do something where you're treating your skin. Do a face mask at home. Apply your favorite lotions or your favorite oils. Just make sure that you're giving your skin pampering. And now this could also be a really good time for cuddles, hugs, and kisses, just because skin to skin contact, for some reason right now during this full moon, you'll feel it more, the energy will be stronger, and the energy will be just more beneficial in your life. Number 4, the full moon in Libra is a time for you to show some compassion. Be nice to other people and allow other people to be nice to you. Be understanding of other people, because we never know what they're going through. And also let other people be understanding to you. Let other people be compassionate to you. You might even see yourself accepting understanding and compassion from others at this time a lot more. And you might even feel yourself wanting to be extra nice and generous and understanding to other people around this time more. And number 5, this is the time for you to take a pause, take a breather, relax, take a break. If you've been overworking yourself or just overthinking, this is a time for you to really stop and relax and give yourself a breather. It's a really good time to book a little getaway for yourself, or you and your family or your friends, or it's a really good time to go for a drive or just go outdoors and just really let your mind calm down. And it's almost like if you don't, the universe will make you. The energy of the full moon will make you take a break, will make you pause, will force you to kind of just take a breather. Try not to overwork yourself or overthink yourself about something, because in the end, when you just burn yourself out and you exhaust your energy, that very thing that you were working towards is going to feel that burnout energy. So you want to make sure to take pauses and take breaks. When you take a break from something and then you come back to it, you come back with a new perspective, a fresh mind, and a clearer mind to just think with and figure things out with. This way you get more ideas, you get more clarity, you get more guidance, and it's easier for you to channel that. It's easier for you to receive the ideas and the guidance. So these are 5 really important energies of this full moon in Libra. If you guys have any more questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Be sure to stay tuned. On Friday's video, I'm going to show you guys a really nice ritual where it's going to be like a cleanse my mind face mask. So it's a face mask that you can apply where the energies of the face mask are very calming and loving. The energy of the face mask intertwines with the energy of the full moon really well. And I'm also going to be selling a few of the full moon charged face masks on my Etsy store. But thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!